Hello and welcome to another episode of the SITREP. You've got Mike and I here to discuss a shortcut for accessing information on eBenefits and MyHealtheVet. But first, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe, which will help the SITREP in its mission of connecting veterans with the benefits they have earned and deserve. So, Mike, tell us, what's the shortcut?
So, Paul, this is actually pretty cool, to be perfectly honest. The Shortcut is a new mobile application that VA has come out with. And we'll get into it. We'll go into the dynamics of it, but it's probably the best tool that I've ever used that the VA has put out.
Yeah, so, I mean, people for a long time, they've had to go on a desktop or laptop, whatever, to access eBenefits, to use MyHealtheVet, all that kind of stuff.
They're all separate.
Now it's all in one place.
All one place.
Super. And we did it different ways. Both of us downloaded this. I did it through ID.me. My ID.me account took me like 5 minutes going back and forth, whatever, to get it done. But really, really simple.
You know, I went in the App Store, typed in VA healthcare, and it popped right up. It was the number one selection for me on iOS. Downloaded it. It literally downloaded in seconds. And then you're right. I used MyHealtheVet. I used MyHealtheVet credentials or password to log into it for the first time. And no issues. Popped me right in. And then I started going through it and all my data was there. So all my data on the healthcare part, all my data on the benefits part, my profile, everything that the VA has on me was downloaded for me now on the app. And what I like about it too is whenever you log out, you want to go back in. I know you're Mr. High Speed. You have a much more high speed phone than I do. I still have the old home button. So I did the fingerprint recognition. It allows you to do that. So all I have to do is basically put my thumb on the home button and I'm in.
Yeah, face recognition is the way to go. But
I understand, but I'm still old school.
This really, really, really is a good tool. I think it's probably the best app the VA has ever created, hands down. So what kind of stuff can you do with this? As far as eBenefits goes, and I'm looking at it right now, I can get my summary and service verification letter for benefits, other form of benefit verification letter, civil service preference letter, proof of credible prescription drug coverage, proof of minimum essential coverage, which a lot of people need during the tax season and what have you, proof of service card, service verification letter, and the list goes on. There's all sorts of different things that you can access in there. But personally, my favorite feature, honestly, in this entire thing is that I can talk to my doctors through it. So the same way that a lot of us have been using MyHealtheVet to communicate with whether it's a specialist or a primary care physician or even one of our nurses. You can do this in the app, and it's so easy to get into.
It's so easy, and you're right. The secure messaging is a nice feature. I played with it just to see, and all my doctors at the two facilities that I use were listed there. So, like what I said, when my profile downloaded into the app, it's all there. I don't have to hunt and peck or, how do I import this or that, whatever. It's all sitting in my profile on the app. It is pretty good that way. A feature I like about it is under claims, you can review your current claim. You can review the current status of your appeal. But even better than that, you can actually upload evidence, documents, buddy statements, whatever you're trying to, upload to help bolster your appeal. You can do it right through the app. So
that's cool. Very
cool. So very, very simple. And you don't have to worry about, do I fax it? Do I mail it? All that, boom, just upload it through the app now. And it makes it that much more simpler.
Yeah, another feature on the healthcare side that I really like is I can look at all my appointments. And not only can I look at my appointments, but I can be like, you know what? I'm not going to this one. I can cancel it, reschedule it.
Yeah, everything. Right on the app.
Right on the app. It's awesome. It really, really is awesome. And then something else that you pointed out to me this morning, which I didn't see in there. I did notice that it uploads all of your disability information. It gives you a complete breakdown of, you're getting, 20% for this, 30% for that, 10%
all the letters
for
that you ever received explaining your disability are there.
But it also shows you all the payments that you've received.
I looked at it last night. I went into it. It does go back pretty far, but it basically shows every month your disability payment, how much it was, what the breakdown was, if you're claiming dependents and the such, and where it got sent to. So I mean, you have that proof that your disability payment is going where you want it to for the dollar amount you think should be there. And
so, unfortunately, this app doesn't do everything. It's new.
Well, I mean, they're still fielding some features, and I think that's an important piece of this. That they're going to continue to field and send out updates with new features.
Yeah, like one of them that'll be huge is prescriptions and labs and tests. So you'll be able to pull up all that stuff if you need to reorder a script or whatever. The time frame on that, don't know exactly. We reached out to OIT and they were nice enough to give us a lot of information about the app, but that should be coming here soon, hopefully. And then another nice feature.
Ooh, this is going to be a big one for everybody. You can actually do your Benny Travel, your travel pay reimbursement right through the app. So that's one of the features they're coming out with too. That has caused a little bit of an issue when the VA switched over from a more show up in person and you got your money to doing it through the computer But now, my understanding is it's all going to be right here, and you're going to be able to, based on the appointments like you already talked about that are shown in here, you're going to be able to upload and claim your travel to medical appointments and the such, and not have to go into this, somewhat cumbersome website and things like that have caused some issues over the past few years. So that will be a huge, huge feature.
Yeah. And there's one other feature, well, I wish that they would add, which you brought up earlier this morning, and that's throwing the ID card in there. Why not, right?
I think it would be cool. I mean, it has your whole profile. So on the bottom of the app, it lists, the home button, then do you want to go into claims, do you want to go into health, and then your profile. And when you bring up your profile, it's what you would expect. It's basically all the information that's in there. So your name, your address, your phone numbers, your service, Army, Navy, whatever, how many years, all that good stuff. So it's all there. I think what would be a cool feature is if they uploaded a copy of, the VA ID card that you get through healthcare, if they uploaded that and that was there, that would be a cool way now. You wouldn't have to worry about where's my card. You could just at a kiosk or whatever, when you're checking into a facility or what have you, you could just have it right there on your phone. The other thing too is, and I've seen through some of the reviews that people use this app for veteran verification at Lowe's or Home Depot for all the discounts.
Yeah, I get a discount, yeah.
If you had your ID on there too, now you just hold up your phone, there's the picture saying, yeah, he's in the VA and he was in the Marine Corps or what have you. So I think that would be just a really cool feature. I mean, not overly necessary, but something that would, I think, complete the profile piece of the app.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. So there you go, OIT, if you're listening. But anyway, again, this really is a cool app. I think that the VA has done a great job with it. If you have not downloaded the app, do it. Get used to it, play around with it a bit, because there are going to be a lot of new, really awesome features that are going to be coming along out of the OIT office. So do it. Get it on your phone. You've got it on your phone and your iPad.
I did. I downloaded it to both my iPad and my phone. Just as simple, and everything was, I have everything on both places now. So yeah, it's not clunky. It's very, very easy. And like I said,
it's very user-friendly.
And there's many ways, as you talked about, that you can log in initially. You did what, ID Me, you said, is what you used. I used MyHealtheVet credentials. So there's a number of ways you can, at the first time, log in so that it recognizes you and then downloads all your information into the app. And after that, like I said, it's just my thumbprint. It's just your face for you. So I would I would strongly encourage everybody to really take a look at this. It's a really good product from the VA, and it will make your life a little bit simpler as far as managing your information, your appointments, whatever you're doing with the VA that particular day.
Definitely. So there you go, folks. 2 thumbs up, 1 from Mike, 1 from me. Download the mobile app. Thanks for tuning in as always. If you have not hit that like button or subscribe button, please do so. It'll keep you from missing future episodes of the SITREP. And as always,
for those who have served or are currently serving, thank you for your service.
You have questions about your VA benefits, and the SITREP has the answers. Visit any of our 4 YouTube playlists that specifically cover VA healthcare, VA disability, VA home loans, and specialty topics. Choose from any of our playlists and connect with the benefits you earned and deserve.